H.com.
All right, thanks, Ashley. Well, facing a cancer diagnosis is daunting in many ways. It's compounded when care and treatment are miles away from home. The Hartford Healthcare Cancer Institute recently opened a brand new medical oncology and infusion center at Charlotte Hungerford Hospital in Torrington. And here to talk about this is Dr. Madhavi Gorosho, the center's director. Doctor, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
So as the new director of the center, what kind of expertise and specialty will you be offering patients?
First, I'm truly honored to be the director here. Talking about the services that we provide, we take care of both cancers as well as non-cancerous conditions here. So the cancers like breast cancer, prostate, lymphoma, myeloma, colon cancer, lung cancer, those are treated here. And also non-cancer related conditions, be it anemia or things like immune-mediated thrombocytopenia, those kind of conditions are also treated here. And the most important thing is that the seamless state-of-the-art treatments that Hartford Healthcare Cancer Institute provides for the patients are provided now at our infusion center at Charlotte Hungerford Hospital.
All right, and tell us all of the services that are offered at the new center.
So I'm truly excited to share the services that we offer. So we offer the intravenous treatments and also the oral biologic treatment, the targeted treatments as well. So to explain a little bit more, we give patients intravenous chemotherapy, immunotherapy, the biologic antibody treatment, and now the targeted treatments which can come in a pill format. And in addition to all these treatments for the cancer patients, we also provide the supportive treatments, which could be how to support anemia, how to support the bone health, and how to improve the immunity of a patient who are getting these treatments. And another exciting feature that we have is we have on-site a dietitian, a nurse navigator, and a social worker to help patients through all this. And the very important thing is that with all these treatments, we have, more so for these oral treatments, we have a dedicated team of pharmacists who check up on the patients, who call them and make sure that, any side effects are addressed in a very quick manner. The oncologist is involved so that we can make sure that the patients are getting the benefit of the treatment.
Sounds very comprehensive. All right, tell us why this facility is so important to the community.
Sure. See, the facility is the type of the people, right? So as we all know, cancer is quite complicated, and the cancer patients need the very best. They need a multidisciplinary team of experts to stand by them. And Hartford Healthcare Cancer Institute has a multidisciplinary care of excellence team. And that model has been deployed now at our Cancer Institute location at Charlotte Hungerford Hospital at our infusion center. We have hired new medical oncologists, radiation oncologists, and surgical oncologists. So that, and if you think about it, these team of doctors now at the Charlotte Hungerford Hospital interact very closely with their counterparts in other areas of the other locations of Hartford Healthcare Cancer Institute. And more so, we have a close collaboration with the world-class experts at Memorial Sloan Kettering. So our patients here in the vicinity of the Charlotte Hungerford Hospital get the benefit of world-class care without leaving the comfort of their, the location, as well as not being far away from the loved ones. So it is a beautiful service that we are giving to our patients here.
Wonderful. Okay, Dr. Madhavi Gorosho, thank you so much. Great information.
Thank you so much. Thank you.